Have you ever seriously thought about who is the greatest sportsman of all time across all sports? Well, I have. And logically, it would come down to choosing from the likes of Pele, Muhammad Ali, Michael Jordan, Usain Bolt, maybe Michael Phelps and Tiger Woods. And we must look at the body of work of all these sporting geniuses and then find some credible criteria to make the separation. Of course, some level of consistency is required, with the respective sports having global participation. Now, after all of that, we put it down to some basic areas: dominance over opponents, winning titles, the impact on their sport, and big moment performances. Oh yes, and Phelps could make a case, but how global is swimming as a sport really? Muhammad Ali was truly great, but was revered more because of his style, personality, and political impact. Now, Pele and Jordan were genuine phenoms, but they played team sports, so it could be argued, say them get help. So with all due respect, and this is not a Jamaican thing, but winning 3 consecutive Olympic sprint doubles, setting and still holding the world record in both events, still the fastest man ever, I don't think it even close. All things considered, Usain St. Leo Bolt is definitely the greatest sportsman of all time.
All right, Tracy, but you leave me alone.
But where's the man? But a big man, big up.
All right, Tracy, but you leave me alone. You understand? Leave me alone.
All right, all right, all right, all right.